When we look at this problem again, we notice that this is an inequality. It's got a greater than or equal to sign. But now we've got all these fractions. And kind of like we've done with everything else, the whole goal is to get rid of the fractions. So in order to do that, remember, we need to multiply by the least common denominator. And so between 2, 3, and 6, that number is 6. So I'm going to multiply each side of the inequality by 6. And I'm going to show it for each term so that when we cancel, you can see exactly what it is we are going to cancel or reduce. Okay, so each term has been multiplied by 6. So let's see what we can do. I've got 6 over 2, which is 3. I've got 6 over 3, which is 2. And I've got 6 over 6, which is 1. So I want to write a little bit prettier everything I just figured out from reducing. And then once you've done that, you want to go back through and we're actually going to distribute those numbers. So I've got 3x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4 plus 5. I need to get all my x's on the left-hand side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'm going to get all my numbers on the right, so I'm going to add the 12 to both sides. So on the left, those cancel, and I get just an x. It is going to be greater than or equal to, those cancel. So now I've got minus 4 plus 5, which is 1, plus 12 is 13. So there's half of our battle. Now we need to draw it on a graph so we can see what it looks like. The only number I see is a 13. It is including it, so it's going to be a bracket. Again, you might want to use a different color, and we're going to shade to the right. So make sure we know how to do the set builder notation. So we're going to have x such that x is greater than or equal to 13. And then we can also say, if we wanted to, that it's going to be equal to 13, and it goes on forever, so it goes to infinity, not including that.